I'm going to demonstrate how to add users to your smart padlock. First, launch the eGeeTouch Manager app on your smartphone. Then, select the smart padlock you want to add users to. Next, power on your smart padlock by firmly pressing the shackle down into the base once. A green sync icon indicates that the device has been paired. Next, select the settings icon at the bottom of the screen. Scroll down to Manage User and select it. To add a user, select the Add User button and enter a username and password for the user you wish to add. Then press Add User. Your new user will appear on the Manage User screen. To delete the user, slide the username to the left and press Delete.